Come for a very, very wet drive with me on New Year's Eve. A little POV, nothing amazing or anything, just a random video, probably unedited as much as it probably would be, but it sums up my videos to a T. I mean, where I live, it tends to be when it rains, people act really stupid, it seems. So we'll see how much that happens, like in this little POV here. There's an old car going in there. See, Range Rover straight away. What did I tell you? Oh, look at that! Nice. Very cool. I know some people would like that. Nice one, mate. Sick. I'm not sure why I really came this way because it's so busy. Cool, I thought the BM was going to go then. It's been quite windy over the past couple of days as well, really. I mean, it has been quite, well, as you would expect, some really shit weather, which has been a bit mad. But to sum up the 2023 with the channel, I mean, I didn't even really do a proper introduction either, I don't think, either, to be fair. But yeah, so to sum up 2023 with the channel, it's been probably quite dead in it, really, for people that are trying to watch and whatever. I didn't really have any ideas. I didn't want to keep making the same style of videos over and over and over again for it to be boring just for everyone to watch, whatever, because it mainly would just be POVs and probably gaming and a bit of content on the car every now and then as well, really, to be fair. That's literally how it probably would be. I mean, nothing amazing or anything like that, you know what I mean? It just, that's what I'm saying. I just don't know how people would respond to me keep doing the same thing, like on repeat, like over and over again. But the only way to find out is to actually do it. That's the thing. This car has done very, very well this year, I tell you. It really has done absolutely well. 2005 Mark 1 Focus, honestly, there is nothing bad about him, really. I can think, well, with my one anyway. It's been an absolute dream to drive this year. It really has. I've actually had quite a bit of fun in it, to be fair. I mean, I must have done it if I keep driving it all the fucking time, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's been absolutely amazing to drive. It's been really cool as well. I would like to take it to like shows and stuff, but it's not really probably show worthy yet really. I need to do a few things. I need to get alloys done. I need to get my my front bumper sorted out as well, because that's all got scratches on, not from me but from the people who had it before. You know, I've stuck a new clutch in it and whatever, you know, so it's been, yeah, it has been an absolute dream. Yeah, and with the dent in the alloy, I've only had to top up the, you know, pump up the tyre, not as regular as what everyone thinks with a tyre, but yeah, I mean, yeah, I can't really complain at all with it. Has been really good. There's so many blind spots around it, it's ridiculous. But yeah, I mean, when I do get rid of it, or if I ever do get rid of it, I will be sad to see it go. And I will probably most definitely have to make a video on that day, no matter who's involved, what's happening with it. I will probably have to do some sort of video with it, because it is so much fun to drive, honestly. It really is. I didn't really know much about like Mark 1 Focuses until last ST there. I didn't really know about Mark 1 Focuses as much, and I didn't really see him, didn't really think anything of them if one ever did go by, or I did ever see, which was on the rare occasion as well. But yeah, an old classic car there as well. Yeah, I never really, you know, dabbled into them as much. I mean, what I was looking for really was a Mark 2 Focus, probably Z-Tech really, to be fair, or any really 1.6 Z-Tech Mark 2, something like that, you know, something along those lines. But yeah, and then I ended up getting the obviously I ended up getting a Mark 1 Focus, and it's been an absolute dream. It really has. I'm so happy with it, honestly. It's got its downsides, like the shape of the front, if that makes sense. The headlights, if anyone has a Mark 1 Focus out there and you've still got the standard headlights in that either came with factory, or you've just got like the crappy yellow ones in, you need to get rid of them, because they are absolute pants. And from my experience in driving with this car for nearly 2 years, next year in February, which is crazy also, it would yeah, it was a game changer getting some decent headlights in there, some nice bright LED headlights in there, to really help with vision at night as well, especially if you're a country lane driver and you like going down there a lot as well. It's definitely a must as well, especially with windows as well. So windows I've got tinted, especially the back ones, because the back ones were just a must as well, just because of the style and I like them. But not just because of that, but as well because of having vans, lorries, buses, trucks, you know, construction vehicles when they was on the road and I was, you know, and they was behind me for whatever reason, you know, and they would just shine straight into the car, right into the mirror, and you couldn't see nothing. You barely could even look in your side mirrors, let alone in that mirror there. So straight away getting them tinted was a you know, was a must. There's nothing like your first car, especially if it's a decent first car as well. You don't have to quickly upgrade or anything. Better stick that on a little bit as well. But honestly, it's so much fun. I don't know how the audio is going to be either with the rain, with my voice, with the car when you hear it. I don't know how the audio is going to be. So you have to probably just bear with the audio. Yeah, and I've got window reflectors on it as well, which doesn't seem to be doing a very good job because of the rain. but yeah, I've got window reflectors on it. The ones that you normally see people trend, where it goes right down and it curves down into the corner in here. Obviously I don't have that. I was a bit impatient of getting window reflectors, so the ones where it comes down and curves down here, they was out of stock I think at the time or something, and yeah, I just ended up just getting these ones, to be fair, which there's nothing wrong with them, but they do look a bit, they do make the car, especially like the windows sort of thing, stick out quite a lot. But for the videos that I've done this year and everything like that, you know, what is your favourite video that I've done this year in the comments, if you're interested in that question, or if you want to answer it, or if you have watched me throughout this year, which probably not a lot of people have, but if you have, then thank you, and if you have as well, then let me know in the comments below what your favourite video is of the year. spot for myself. I'm doing some work along here. Oh, interesting. Hopefully you can still park here though. It's been a while since I've actually been here, to be honest with you, not gonna lie. It's been a hefty while. Oh, if they're resurfacing it and everything, that's amazing. Oh, I think I just knocked the camera on someone. Yeah, if they're resurfacing, which it looks like that's what they're doing, that is going to be really good. Yeah, well, let them stick it in, that's what we'll do. Look at that. That'll do. Don't need to be amazing parking, so I'm not going to stay long. Oh. And that is that. Okay, so we'll get out. And but yeah, the car, by the way, is absolutely filth. Christ almighty. Christ almighty. But yeah, we'll wrap up the video here. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. Wasn't really a planned POV or anything, to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't planned at all. I just thought I'd pick up the camera, get out, and then go for a bit of a drive, and yeah, talk to you a little bit, and just do like a kind of a raw POV. Next one, thank you so much, and have a good New Year's, and I hope you had a good Christmas as well, and I'll see you in 2024. Peace.